you guys live around here or what?
Yeah.
You live in Christchurch?
Yeah.
Are you visiting down here with your families or something?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been down here for?
This will be our 9th day.
Oh,
I've been
nice.
here for like 12. Last day tomorrow.
Oh, cool. So you came like over Christmas and New Year and stuff?
Yeah.
Nice. You had a good time, boys?
Yeah.
Nice. Good. What are your names?
Jaden and Jonty.
Jaden and Jonty, nice. And are you guys your friends or family?
Yeah.
Or
Friends.
friends? Nice. So I was just like chilling in the lake and then these chaps came along. They asked me if I was a YouTuber. So we thought we'd have a little chat. Cool. The guys are just chilling, man. They're too cool for school. This is awesome. All right, guys. Cheers.
Bye.
See ya. Peace. So Thursday, mid-afternoon-ish, I am actually running a little bit behind schedule. I've got to drive all the way to Christchurch. I've got a flight later this afternoon or evening to catch. So anyway, this is the Airbnb which I stayed in Twizel. And actually, it's probably my favourite accommodation that I've had the whole time that I've been on the travels. Previous times when I've stayed in an Airbnb, I've not really had much interaction with the host because I think the host kind of has like multiple properties and they kind of just, you know, want to check you in and get it done. But over here with Nile and Madgie, we've just like, you know, had a little chat and make breakfast in the morning. They've even been baking some muffins. Have you got any muffins left?
Got muffins left.
You've got muffins left?
Yeah.
Hi. So how's Airbnb been for you so far?
It's been great.
Yeah.
I've enjoyed the people I've had. Look at who I've got.
Oh. You've been a wonderful host.
Thank you very much.
As has Niall. But that's it. I'm about to depart now and drive to Christchurch, which is about 3.5, maybe 4 hours drive. I'm going to take a little detour and make sure I go over this big gorge crossing. I'll do a little bit of drone footage there as well. And I'm going to quickly shoot to the salmon farm and grab some salmon sashimi and then make my way across to Christchurch. So let's hit the road! As I'm leaving, this car has just pulled up and wait. There is literally just a sheep sitting in the front seat. Look at this. Hello. What's his name? Lionel. Hello, Lionel. It's got such a thick coat.
Yeah, it's so hot. That's why I've shaved his belly.
They get the luxury life riding in the car as well. Right, so I quickly stopped at this little salmon farm so I can have a little bit of fresh salmon before I hit the road. There, some of the salmon pools. Loads of fresh salmon. And they've got salmon sashimi. Okay, so we've got some of this fresh salmon sashimi. Let's give it a shot. I'm really good. I think I'm just going to sit here and demolish this whole little packet of sashimi. Let's do it. After all my flapping around, I'm actually running late. It's 3.5 hours to Christchurch, excluding stops. But I've got to do a little stop. There's a gorge on the way there. One shot which I've been trying to get, or waiting to get, is the drone over a river. So I'm diverting my route on the way to Christchurch to go over that. It adds a little bit of time to the journey. Now in total I'm allowing 4 hours including stopping time. It's just about 2 o'clock now. My flight's at 7. I've got to drop off the car and get to the airport. So I'm targeting getting to the airport by 6. I've got a few little bits to do. So let's see. Oh my God, this guy just got pulled over by an undercover policeman. Looks like I better watch out on my speed as well then, eh? I was about to say I could just increase my speed by 20-30% and then I'll save a bit of time, but not sure if that's a great idea. Okay, car all dropped off. Boom. Flying to Sydney, just quickly got a few minutes to explore the lounge and get a little bit of a quick bite to eat at breakfast. It's only a 3.5 hour flight or so to Sydney, first time in Australia. So I'm on Air New Zealand again.